Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make this beautiful heart-shaped container. So let's get started. First start folding the paper from its downwards direction. Flip it and again fold it. Now we are going to press it from its top and give it a shape of a heart. Fold it again. Now we are going to pull it upwards and paste it using a glue stick. After this we are going to make two such pieces and paste it from its sides like this and make a back. Paste its handles, paste a bow, and look, it is ready. Here we are going to make these beautiful bookmarks. So take a floral printed graph paper and fold it from its diagonals. Now make mini folds from one corner. Repeat the same process from other and opposite direction like this. After this, fold it into half from its bottom and top portion. Again fold it and look, your bookmark is ready. You can paste a bead at the center. In this video, we are going to make this phone stand. Let's make it. We are going to fold this paper, fold it from its sides, again flip it and fold it into half. Again, we are going to flip it and make many folds from its bottom. Flip it, again fold it. Here we are going to fold it from its corners. We are making pleats here. Open the whole paper. Now fold it and make a cone shape. Again flip it and fold it from its sides and make a triangular shape. Paste it using double-sided tape and tug it inside, and look, it is ready. You can put your phone on it. In this video, we are going to make these pickers. So let's make it. We are going to fold this paper into half and again make many folds. Open it and again fold it from its top and bottom. Again, we are going to fold it into half and start folding from its corners into triangular shape. Again, we are going to fold it like this and you will get mini triangles from both its sides. After this, we are going to put all the corners inside like this. Then we are going to fold it again like we are doing here and gently press it and you will get a shape like this. Now do the same from this side as well. Again fold it and you will get three space at the center. Now we are going to press all of them, fold it, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.